Okay, this is Skander. We're going to now go up to the Bristlecones and take a look at the visitor center on the bright side. And then we're going to take a look at CARMA's arrays actually being moved today, which is pretty cool to see a $3 million telescope be picked up and moved and put back down. So let's get into it. All right, Skander here up at the Bristlecones, and the visitor center behind me is going to have the grand opening on September 1st. So mark your date. It's just over 2 months away. It's more or less on schedule, if not kind of ahead. So this center is a little bigger, a little more modern, and it's going to be awesome. So today up here in the Bristlecones, it's in the 90s, and Bishop, it's like in the high 70s here. It's absolutely perfect. So if you haven't been up here to the forest in a while or ever, this is the summer to come up, because there's not a cloud in the sky, there's no bugs. I mean, it's paradise. All right.
Yeah. Okay. Hi, my name is Eric Leach. I'm a scientist here at the Owens Valley Radio Observatory, and I thought I'd take a few minutes today to tell you a little bit about an experiment called CARMA. So what you're seeing now is what we call the transporter, and this is a custom-made vehicle that was designed to lift these very, very large telescopes, weighing many tons, and the largest of them has a dish the diameter of about 10.5 meters. So we actually pick up these telescopes from one pad and we move them to another pad. And the reason we do this, as I said before, is so we can change the resolution of this instrument. By moving the telescopes further apart, we create effectively a much larger mirror on the ground. So effectively we have a larger telescope that can resolve much smaller things in the sky. If our science goals direct us to looking at larger objects in the sky, we'll pick up these telescopes and move them closer together so that we synthesize a smaller array on the ground. We reconfigure the array approximately every couple months, and this is just depending on the science demands from the community. So CARMA, I should mention that CARMA is freely available for use to the scientific community. So every 6 months we put out a call for proposals, and scientists from all over the astronomical community, all over the world, apply for time on this instrument. We then have a small committee of scientists from external institutions that review these proposals and decide which one should be awarded time. And then depending on the science goals for the proposals that we've awarded, we'll either spend more time in a wider configuration, so we have higher resolution, or more time in a smaller configuration, because we're